Alright guys, back at the ship box as I decided to do the oil pan yesterday, and after I put it down, the starter decided to go. So I'm here now replacing the starter. Pretty easy. There's just 3 bolts. I recommend using a swivel 14mm socket. It's gonna be way easier to get to the top bolt. Here, well, here, for a reference, bell housing for the transmission goes up. You got 2 bolts right here, 14mm, and one right there. That one right there. And then you have a few connecting wires, and then one that runs from the battery. This starter right here. I'm gonna get started and hopefully finish that before it gets dark out. And it's completely dark out, but I got it in. I'll show you. All right, orange sticker. So that's in. You can't see me. That's in. Still looking forward to the truck on Sunday, hopefully. All right, moment of truth. Finally got the 240 started. What happened was, if you look, here's the old starter. So you have 2 main supplies on a starter. You have one that runs from your solenoid to the actual starter, and then this is from that positive cable, runs directly to it, is always running 12 volts. And what happened was, there's a connector that connects this. When I took that connector and went to go put it on the new one, I hit metal. Now, when I hit the metal, it actually blew the fuse. I'll show you that. It blew the fuse, and that's the reason why I wasn't starting, which I'm glad, because if it was a wiring issue, it would have been taking forever to finish, you know, and it would have taken forever to fix and everything else. So I'll show you what I did for right now until I get the fuse that I'm going to use. But so I took 2 connector ends, which I don't recommend doing, and just replaced it as for the fuse until I get the fuse. So that's the reason why my car wouldn't start, but as you can see, in 1 minute, I'll get the fuse. Start it up. And there you go. If you wire, which typically you never have to touch this wire. It's gonna come when you get the new one, it's gonna come as is, already connected. If you do by accident and you switch up the wires, you're gonna know by when you go to turn on the car, it's just gonna run. You'll hear the starter running, but it's not gonna kick over. So you would know to switch the lines, but as soon as you switch the lines, it's as simple as that. Like I said, one connector goes straight from the battery to here, you'll see it. You have a regular connector there. This is gonna be already done for you, and that's it. It should only take about 15 minutes, you know, like 20 minutes, I guess, for someone who's never done it before. It's easy, it's simple. It's the 3 bolts that I showed in the beginning, and that's how you put in a starter. Well, another early morning started. I'm gonna work on the car. windshield finished. Hooked it up. Down in here, and then just self-tapped 2 screws into here since it didn't reach here, but 2 screws in, heat shield's done. Today would have been the day that I would have gotten to go to the track, but obviously I'm not going to make it. I'm still going to try and make it just to watch everybody else race and see a few other people that I know that are going to be going there. So it should be a lot of fun. Christina, she's going to be heading here. She's heading here from, she lives about an hour away. And we got a big rivalry game coming up tonight. It's the Giants versus Cowboys. I'm a Giants fan, she's a Cowboys fan, so that'll be a little fun later on. Buddies in the 350Z that went by before you. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. You know, I really want to see people who enjoy watching the videos to, you know, so for them to know that I appreciate them even watching the videos. You know, I'm not doing this for the subscribers. I'm not doing this for money or for any reason at all besides that I wanted to work on a track car no matter what. So I thought I'd film it and give other people the experience of, you know, what to expect and what not to expect, what to see. I'm learning in the process as well as I'm doing this. So, like I said, if you guys like it, please remember to like and subscribe. You know, I'd really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video.